Greetings, subscribers. Long promised. Positive sound expression in progress. There's a lot of work to be done. I got a lot of the things together. So it will be a music training outlet. I have a lot of community outreach initiatives. Want to reach the kids with the music. So yeah, it's a process. The family tree, they're all gone. My granddad, my dad, my mom, auntie. This says strive for excellence. That's mom in her day. This glass was at her 90th birthday. I drank it wasn't champagne, whatever it was. Yeah, that was from then. So this says strive for excellence. I pledge to serve my school with pride and give the best of me. I hope someday to make the world a wondrous place to be. I pledge to show respect for all my teachers and my peers. I know the things I do today will follow through the years. Strive for excellence, the journey has begun. Strive for excellence and strive for number one. In my environs I'll delight, I strive to keep it clean and so uplift this noble land of black and gold and green. I pledge with all my strength, my mind, high standards to attain, and if by any chance I fall, I'll rise and try again. Strive for excellence, the journey has begun. Strive for excellence and strive for number one. So, drum set, bass guitar, the boombox, the Mackie mixing board. Hey. Thank you, Jimmy Vegley. The works, Behringer, a board, audio interface, that's Big Sis. A Samsung box, Japa. Ooh, Dell computer. Ted, what is Ted? I'm blessed. Acer in action. It's Carol Patrick. Man, this is my for my community outreach broadcast. Voice of Reason, that's the name of the program. Shure mics. The good old Yamaha P105 in need of some service. So you'll be hearing, I have tons of songs. Can I tell you, I have thousands of material, thousands, and it's no joke. Songs you've never heard, poems you've never heard. You'll probably see me stream a few of them. So this particular thing I'm going to share with you. This I was just doing for checking the different mics. I checked. This one is the PVM. I tried that one. I call it Nameless. I got this mic some time ago. Call it Nameless. So you tell me, I need your input. This is the Shure. And this one came with my broadcast equipment. It's a whole package I got with my little interface for the broadcast. And there it is. All right. So I'm gonna ask you to tell me. I need your feedback. I'm going to play Nameless first of all. So take a look there. You probably can see me. Let me use the mouse. All right. So I'm going to mute. I call it broadcast mic, and I'm going to start with Nameless. All right. So this one I call Nameless. Right. If you want to grate your coconut, just get them out, because this voice can grate a coconut, I promise you. Okay, here goes. Nameless. Ready? Well, it's playing. It's pretty low. So let me see if I can go up with the volume. Nameless. Maximize, going up maximum with the volume. And nameless, here's the master. All right. Let's go again. W for rewind. And spacebar starts it. Still nothing. So let me go. So I had to put this up to maximum. Let me go again. All right, that's with nameless. It's a beautiful sound. Can you hear the music? All right, so that's nameless. Okay. Again, I go W for rewind. All right. So now, I'm just in the learning stages of my studio engineering. I'm working on it. This is a PVM, and PVM is actually this little baby here, this little beauty. All right, that's PVM. So PVM, I'm gonna try. I probably will have to take the volume down because I think this is louder than. Still didn't unmute. So look again, there that one yellow, and I need to unmute it. Okay. So it's unmuted. All right, so go W again for rewind, and let me see. It's a beautiful sound. Can you hear the music in there? All right, that's PVM. Let me go again. Let's go again. It's a beautiful sound. Can you hear the music in there? All right, so that's PVM. So remember, you are my ears. All right. Ensure you're all subscribing. I have a package for you, my people. This is, call him Emperor Elijah, Abeid, Cazembe, Muata, Franklyn J. Wallace. Race restoring a clean environment. But I started off with SCI, Someone Cares Inspiration. So that's the parent organization. That's the foundation. SCI, Someone Cares Inspiration. It's a motivational, inspirational, practical, pragmatic organization. It's aimed at the restoration of a nation's dignity, a nation's harmony, unification. SCI. It reaches out to the hurting. Anyway, I chat too much, right? All right. So from SCI, I have race, restoring a clean environment, identifying issues, formulating solutions, and the theme, national healing, and environmental and cultural approach. Now, race has, it deals with the physical environment, the natural environment, and also the social. So you'll hear in the poetry, some things relate to to humanity deals with the environment itself. And you have the other things, Christmas paradox, for example. Someone cares, all of these. To human suffering, to the pain that people experience. So you'll be coming out with their videos. All I've been posting so far are unprofessional stuff, but I'll be presenting stuff for you to see, to really share the moments. So, race, restoring a clean environment. The poetry falls under turning point, TJRNING point, turning point. So the poetry, I have an anthology of poems, and it's all in the book, Mental Laxative for National Healing. Mental Laxative for National Healing, the purging of the minds for the healing of the nation. All right, guess what? I just realized the camera is on the is on the thing here. So there's a lot to tell you about. So that was a sure mic, huh? Or did you hear it? No, I'm gonna give you a sure mic now. All right, so here we go. Remember, you're telling me you're my ears. It's a beautiful sound. Can you hear the music in the air? Sure. Let's go again. It's a beautiful sound. Can you hear the music in the air? It's a beautiful sound. Can you hear the music in the air? So I recorded both clips, both takes at different distances from the microphone, because this one has a filter and this one doesn't, right? I'm doing from different, it's experimental, I'm learning now. I'm learning the art of audio, because I've always been working with MIDI files, and MIDI deals with more binary, numbers, that kind of thing, so coding. So this audio is totally different, a different concept. So it's a new terrain for me. So I'm experimenting, learning the different microphones. I have a condenser mic, but the other one is. And all right, so this broadcast mic now, I'm going to unmute that track. So here we go. It's a beautiful sound. Can you hear the music in the air? It's a beautiful sound. Can you hear the music in the air? All right, so guess what? Thereafter, I did a little talking. I sang, I just started ad-libbing on a song. This is it. When you're out on a limb, and it looks like there's no way out, never give up, never give in, 'cause the sun will shine. You may think there's no way, but if you just wait, persevere, and hold on, you will find a way that goes beyond your dreams. It's better than it seems. You will find a way. Don't give in. Don't give up. There's a way yet to be found. And when you find it, you'll smile, 'cause you never gave in. I just hope these are words that can touch a single soul. If you're out on a limb, or you're out in the cold, don't give in, don't give up. There's a way you'll surely find. If you look in the confines of your mind, your mind. That was a hiccup, yeah. Your mind. What makes a sound? You just never imagine it. Alright, it's 2026. Hey, I know the bombs are falling. I know it's grim, I know it's tough, wherever you are. Guess what? There's a way. I just wish you all safety. Seeking to create a better day. The next generation will let you down. I hope we can find a way to take you through this. Don't give in, don't give up. There's a way you will find. Oh boy. Hey, guys, we're here for you. All the people of the world disenfranchised, abused, disregarded. We're here for you. Let's stand together in unity. Stand in strength. Don't give in. This is Elijah. APOD African People of the Diaspora. Okay, so I've come to the end of the little voicing session, if we call it that, experimental voicing session. Let me show you my face. Right, so this is Elijah. And I'll be broadcasting from here, looking forward to interacting with you all. If there's anything you want to learn musically, you can share from Pianismo Music Center. I'll be happy to share with you. And I'll take you through the journey as I do the studio recording. Whatever I learn, I'll be imparting. So it's a process we can grow together. I'll be broadcasting the Voice of Reason program from different outlets, outdoors. So look out for it. And just wishing you all safety, wishing you every blessing that life can bring. I wish you great health, peace of mind above all things, contentment. I wish blessings for your families, your friends. I wish you safety. And in this crisis, we all have to stand together, uplift each other, motivate each other. I'm going to sing the song of love for you. If I could write a song so clever that the world could understand, I'd sing it for all people that exist upon the land. I'd sing it o'er the mountains, beneath the ocean floor. I'd take it to the valleys, to the very distant shore, if I could put the words together so that mankind would forgive. I'd surely keep on writing for as long as I could live. I'd write it on the pavements, on the thrones of kings afar. I'd take it to the planets, to the very distant star, if only I could write that song. A world is screaming desperately, its echoes touch the heart. Peace. If I could only brew that potion that could ignite a spark of love, I'd pour it on all nations from the heavens high above. I'd take it to the palace, to the starving orphan's door. I'd pour it on Gibraltar until the children weep no more. If only I could write that song. If only I could write that song. I'd song of love. Told you, can't sing. Take care, my people. Just be safe, all right? Just be safe. The word is peace, love, unity. No weapon formed against you shall prosper. This is Elijah. African people of the diaspora.